Hey everyone, Poison here, and welcome to Psychosis. This is a demo for a horror game. It is available on Steam, and I will include the link in the description down below for you to check out if you so choose to. It kind of looks like a Wolfenstein, early Doom inspired type of game. But we're going to find out together what it has for us. So, episode 1. Lost to move. Woo, and we are quick, boy. Alright, what's this? What is this? Is this a thing? Do I need this thing? Okay, what's this? Left mouse button to... Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I like it. Okay, what are we attacking exactly? I don't know. Do I attack you? No. Oh god! Oh god! Okay. That thing was just hiding behind there? Okay, I guess so. What are these? I don't know. Collecting them all. Gotta catch them all. Music is rocking, baby. Keeping me motivated. Oh yeah, what's up? What's up? What are you? Vitruvian man? Do I lose... Oh, I lose energy when I swing my weapon. Okay, so I don't just want to throw that thing around willy-nilly. Oh my god. Let's bottleneck you all right here. Ow. Hey, stop it. God. So many. Oh, where'd you come from? Nope. No. I think I died. Yes. Press R to restart. Okay, I will, because I'm enjoying myself. Okay, I got the, Come here. Ow. Man, these things really hurt. Really hurt. Alright, I'm back up to 100. Let's go. Alright. I know there's a couple in here. Or not. There's one. Okay. Just being a little cautious. A little cautious. That's okay. There's some in here. Yeah. Listen. We got off on the wrong foot before. It's all good now. Alright, this is the room here, man. There's just so many. I still think bottlenecking them is the way to go. Whoa. Why does my energy like suddenly go like way down? Is that because they're touching me? Oh god. Run! Okay, alright, I did better that time. Still a little confused about how the damage system works. But whatever. You collect the blue things and you're good to go. What are you? You're nothing? Oh. Ow. Ow! Cut it out, jerk! Alright. Oh, yeah, 100. Oh, god! What are you even? Three-headed thing. Ah, ending. Oh. Am I dual-wielding chainsaws? Oh, mama. Secret? No. Some down there. These things aren't too bright. It's like running straight into a dude wielding 2 chainsaws. Oh, yellow ones. They're fast boys. Oh. My energy is 100. What's this? I don't know, but I got it. Oh god! Man, they can just come up out of nowhere on you. Okay. Moving on. Yep, I knew it. Oh my god, there's so many. Collect some energy. Oh, chainsaw makes short work out of these little pink dudes. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let's leave that. God! You're just hiding behind the corner waiting for me? What the hell, man? Yeah, yeah. Looks like you're backing off now. What's up, yellow man? Okay, just one of those actually gives you quite a bit. Nothing over here. Nothing over here. Oh god! Collect one of these. Okay. Man, I shouldn't have taken any hits from those wimps. Alright, where's the exit? Just tanked him. I feel like I murdered a sufficient amount of things, but yeah, I mean, look, it's a friggin' bloodbath in here. Are these doors or anything? No. Nothing down here. Nothing over here. Nope. Ah, there it is. Ta-da! Did it. Ooh. Is that a shotgun? We got some kind of... Oh, these fire back. Come on. Nope. Come down here and get me, fool. Oh, the shotgun is so meaty. Oh, I walked right into you. Oh, you could hide. Oh, got a little buddy over here sniping, huh? Oh, how'd I miss? How do you miss with a shotgun? I'll find a way. Palace Poison always finds a way to totally suck at a game that should be pretty easy. Not that I mean, this is early stages, right? But even so. Oh, some yellow boys here. Oh, they're wrecking me. Shotgun doesn't work so well against the yellow boys because they're so fast. Okay, 100. Damn it. Hey, stop. What did I just pick up? I don't know. Okay, doing pretty well. Oh, we made it out already. Man, we're a beast. No new weapon though. Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh crap. Need to find some health or energy. It's running out awful fast. Alright, jerks, come on. Can get it. Did I run away from you that fast? Where'd you go? Ah, yellow boy. More yellow boys. Okay, alright, we're good, we're good, we're good. That was an onslaught, wasn't it? Uh-oh. I hate when they pop up behind you. Cause I heard them, and it was like, oh crap. But then I had some dudes in front. I had to take care of. Run away! Collect that health, baby! You yellow jerks are freaking fast. I don't like you. Like, at all. What? I'm gonna that again. Oh crap. Oh! Oh, I have like a dash maneuver. Which I guess I could use to get out of sticky situations. Oh, how'd I miss? God. Man, don't let him touch you. Oh my god, why? What is that? I'm not sure what that thing is. Okay, it's just health over here. Well, that's good to know. Because I am finding myself in some precarious situations that require me to refill my health. Okay, I can't switch weapons with just mouse scroll. How'd you even get out from work? What? Oh, I didn't need to pick those up. Oh well, I did anyway. Okay. Woo! Sorry, not a lot of commentary there. Just got pretty intense for a second. Man, these guys just run headlong into your face. I see you. Alright, I need some health. Oh, thank you. Oh lord. This is a big room. I'm fine. I survived. I survived the big room. Okay, full health, baby. Man, this demo goes on forever. Okay. Whoa! Sneaking up behind me. Bunch of these boys now. Oh man, they're laying into me. Why don't y'all come down here? God, there's so many of those guys down there. And there was like none in the last level, which makes it extra hard. Oh my god, look how many there are! It's lagging my game! There's so many, I'm never gonna make it! I'm not gonna make it! Go! 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 Run away! How did I survive that? I don't know. That was insanity. What? Where'd you come from? God, this guy's loading me up. Oh god. Oh god. Oh, I didn't make it. Okay. Well, I think that's all I'm gonna play on this. If you liked what you saw here, Psychosis, go ahead and check the game out below in Steam. It is a demo, so you can get it for free. And yeah, let me know what you thought in the comments. Click that like button, why don't you? And I said light button, but I meant like button. You knew what I meant. And if you haven't already, I'd be oh so grateful if you would subscribe, and I thank you. Anyway, I think that's going to do it for me in this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye!